So we start out today's video with this long to bob transformation. She has some absolutely gorgeous hair, so full of body. Absolutely stunning transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of haircut ideas, transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of doing something different with your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone making major moves into this big chop. She did a pixie style, baby bangs going there in the front. Absolutely stunning transformation. So it looks like the next one also features a big pixie hair change. Wow, she has so much body and fullness within her pixie cut. She does have that 90s mushroom bowl shape. And then we have someone who decided to go purple, loving this lavender shade. Absolutely stunning. So here we have someone who's going to be adding in some curtain bangs. Beautiful bob with the curtain style bangs. This is a great way to get a little bit of volume to the hair. She looks absolutely amazing. And then here we see someone with hair just above their shoulders. And she decided to get a mini bob. Love the bright blonde color she got for this. Absolutely gorgeous. Here we have another beautiful bob style. Gorgeous, so much thickness and body within this bob. Amazing. So here we have a beautiful copper style bob. It looks like she has an undercut as well. Loving the color on this. It's like a really pretty ginger copper tone. And she also has baby bangs in the front. Very trendy hairstyle. And then we have another pixie haircut. Wow, so much height and volume. Followed by a hair color change. So they have a blonde faded cut with a really interesting design here. This is a guy. Wow, what a unique hairstyle. Very cool. And then we have this really pretty blonde pixie makeover. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.